Hey guys, Andy here, and today I'm going to be showing you another method on how to fix playback lag in Adobe Premiere Pro. So after my first tutorial on how to fix playback lag came out, a lot of people came to me asking questions on if there was another method on how to fix playback lag, and we'll be looking at one today. And so this method involves pre-rendering parts of a sequence, especially the ones that present playback difficulty, like, for example, my edited by the Andy-san logo. Oftentimes the footage lags and sometimes you don't even see the GIF here. So we'll go ahead, and what you do is you simply go to the beginning point, you hit I on your keyboard, which will create an in point. Then you go to the end here, which will just go all the way to the end of this particular clip, and we'll hit O for the out point. And then we'll go up to sequence, then we'll render into out. And so depending on the size and complexity of the clips in question, it may take a little bit for your computer to render it all. This particular section took my computer about 2.5 minutes to completely render out, so your mileage may vary. But now, as you can see up here, we have a green part of the timeline. This indicates that this sequence is rendered. So we'll go ahead and go to beginning and hit playback. And as you can see, nice, buttery smooth, not a problem whatsoever. And so something to keep in mind is if you decide to alter your rendered section, it will show up on the timeline here, but it will still keep the unrendered sections. As you can see here, once I moved the GIF, it became a yellow part of the timeline. And so if you decide to delete your rendered files, just simply go up to Sequence, and then go to Delete Render Files, and then hit OK. So yeah, that's another way that you can fix playback lag in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you like this tutorial, be sure to give a like and subscribe for more tutorials. And if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments down below, and your question could be the next tutorial. This is the Andy-san, sign out for now, and as always, we'll see you next time. Bye guys.